Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your Motorola Moto G86 Power is on the blacklist. Okay, so we are on the IMEI.info page. You can see the link right in here, and now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it, but also in here you have a quick instruction how you can do it. So once you have found it, click on check IMEI. As you can see now our Motorola appeared. Now we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the basic checks. We have the Blacklist simple check, which is completely for free, or also we can order the premium one. Let's begin with the simple. Click on check Blacklist status. And now we have our confirmation that device is clean. Below we can also see the date on which the report was created at. When it comes to the premium, we need to click on order now. And as you can see, the order costs $4 and the time needed for this action is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. In here we have an example how it will look like when the phone is blacklisted and how when it's clean. For example, when device is blacklisted, when you use the premium version, you can see the manufacturer, the blacklist status, and the blacklist reason, by who it was blacklisted, the blacklisted country, and the date on which it happened. So these are the advantages of using the premium version. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.